Hello and welcome to the Quiz Me Pub Quiz. There will be 5 rounds of questions with a maximum total of 55 points available. You will have around 10 seconds per question, and the answers will be revealed at the end of each round. If you want to keep track of your score, now is the time to grab a pen and paper. Let's have a look at what rounds you will be playing this week. Your categories for this week's quiz are entertainment, the picture round, connections, geography, and to finish, your general knowledge round. Let's get started. First up, we have the entertainment round, with a maximum of 15 points available. There will be 10 questions, followed by 5 name the actor from the movies. We will explain further once we get to these questions. Good luck! Who was the winner of Strictly Come Dancing in 2024? What is the nickname of Anne from The Chase? Which author wrote the novel Dracula? In 2025, who won the Grammy for Best Country Album with Cowboy Carter? Which city in Nevada did Elvis Presley sing about? What is the birth country of Rihanna? Which country did the Smurfs cartoon strip originate from? Which rock band is named after the Aldous Huxley book? What year was the film version of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire released? Who portrayed Julia Childs in the 2009 movie about her life? For the next 5 questions, you will see a list of 3 films. You will need to guess which actor or actress has starred in all 3 of them. Which actor or actress starred in Paddington, Wonka, and 2 Weeks' Notice? Who connects Senior Year, Cats, and The Hustle? Uncle Buck, Splash, and Spaceballs all star which actor or actress? Can you guess the actor or actress from these 3 films? Despicable Me, Princess Diaries, and Enchanted. And the final list is 17 Again, 9 Yards, and Fools Rush In. And now on to the answers for round 1. The winner of Strictly Come Dancing 2024 was Chris McCausland. Anne from The Chase is known as the governess. Dracula was written by Bram Stoker. The 2025 Grammy winner for Best Country Album was Beyoncé. And the city was Las Vegas. Rihanna was born in Barbados. The Smurfs cartoon strip originated from Belgium. And it was The Doors, who named themselves after the Doors of Perception by Aldous Huxley. The Goblet of Fire was released in 2005. Julia Childs was played by Meryl Streep in Julie and Julia. The actor who connects Paddington, Wonka, and 2 Weeks' Notice is Hugh Grant. Senior Year, Cats, and The Hustle all star Rebel Wilson. These 3 films are all connected by John Candy. The actress who stars in Despicable Me, Princess Diaries, and Enchanted is Julie Andrews. And the final list of 3 movies all star Matthew Perry. Round 2 will be your picture round. 10 questions, 10 pictures, 10 points available. Here we go. Who is this celebrity from when they were younger? What is this a close-up of? Which brand is this the logo for? Which country does this flag belong to? What is the name of this animated character? Which sports star is pictured here? What is the name of this landmark? Which movie poster, with its title removed, is this? Which country outline is being shown here? And the final question in the picture round, which musician is this? And now for the answers to the questions in round 2. This younger celebrity is Orlando Bloom. This is a zoomed-in picture of a hole punch. The company with this logo is Tesla. This is the flag of Thailand. This animated character is Luffy from One Piece. This sports star is Lauren Hemp from the Lionesses. This landmark is the Easter Island statues. The movie poster shown is Pitch Perfect. The country outlined here is Sweden. And question 10, the musician shown here is Aretha Franklin. Now on to our connections round. There will be 4 questions that you have to answer, worth 1 point each. All 4 of the answers, or in some cases only part of them, will have a connection or theme. For an extra point, can you guess the connection between the 4 answers? There will be 2 rounds of this, so 10 points in total available. Here is the first question. What is the name of the comedy panel show that is hosted by Jimmy Carr? In 1960, which iconic beauty product did L'Oreal release? In 1885, the first skyscraper was built. Which city was it built in? In 2019, Kyriakos Mitsotakis became the Prime Minister of which EU state? Here are the 4 questions together. Can you work out the connection between all 4 answers? On to the second part of the round. What do these celebrities have in common? Scarlett Johansson, Ashton Kutcher and Alanis Morissette. What was Madonna's first #1 single in the US? A deathstalker is what type of animal? Which Disney movie was released in 1994? What connects all 4 of the answers to these questions? Now on to the answers for the connections round. Jimmy Carr hosts the comedy panel show, 8 out of 10 cats. L'Oreal released Hairspray in 1960. The first skyscraper was built in Chicago. Kyriakos Mitsotakis was the Prime Minister of Greece. So what connects Cats, Hairspray, Chicago and Greece? Different spelling. They are all musicals. On to the second set of answers. Scarlett Johansson, Ashton Kutcher, and Alanis Morissette are all twins. Madonna's first US single was Like a Virgin, which was released in 1984. A deathstalker is a type of scorpion. And the Disney movie released in 1994 was The Lion King. So what connects twins, virgin, scorpion, and lion? They are all zodiac symbols. Twins is the Gemini symbol. Virgin is the symbol for Virgo. Scorpion is the Scorpio symbol and lion is the symbol for Leo. Round 4 will be on geography. There are 10 questions in this round with a maximum of 10 points available. Good luck. First question. What is the longest river in Britain? How many degrees south of the equator is the Tropic of Capricorn? If you are within 5 degrees either side of the answer, you can have a point. What is the capital city of Syria? There are only 3 countries in the world that begin with the letter F. Can you name all 3? How long is the River Nile in miles? If you are within 15 miles either side of the correct answer, you can have a point. Which is the largest continent by land area? In which mountain range would you find Mount Everest? What is the deepest point in the world's oceans? There is only one country that lies in all 4 hemispheres. Which is it? As of 2026, which landmark is the tallest building in the world? On to the answers for round 4. The longest river in Britain is the Severn. The Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees below the equator. If you said between 18.5 and 28.5, you can have a point. The capital of Syria is Damascus. The 3 countries beginning with F are Fiji, Finland and France. The River Nile is approximately 4,130 miles long. You can get a point if you said between 4,115 and 4,145 miles. The largest continent by land area is Asia. Mount Everest is located in the Himalayas. The deepest part of the world's oceans is known as the Mariana Trench. The country that lies in all 4 hemispheres is Kiribati. The tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa, which was built in Dubai in 2009, opening in 2010. Your 5th and final round is general knowledge. There are 10 points available. On to the first question. What month is St. Andrew's Day celebrated in? What shape is an OBE medal? What is the name of the British astronaut that went to space in 2016? What is the name of the instrument that is used for predicting changes in the weather? Joseph Merlin invented which sports footwear? Tonic, the drinks mixer, was originally used to treat what? The gummy bear was first produced by which company? What is the national winter sport of Canada? What is the first element in the periodic table? Who is the Greek god of music, art, and healing? And here are the answers for the fifth and final round of this week's pub quiz. St. Andrew's Day is celebrated in November. The OBE medal is in the shape of a cross. The British astronaut who went into space in 2016 was Tim Peake. The instrument used for predicting weather changes is a barometer. Joseph Merlin invented roller skates. Tonic was originally used to treat malaria. The company to first produce the gummy bear was Haribo. The national winter sport of Canada is ice hockey. The first element in the periodic table is hydrogen. The Greek god of music, art and healing is Apollo. Well done and thanks for playing. Total up your scores to see which type of quizzer you are. Check your score total with the criteria to see which type of quizzer you are, and let us know in the comments. Now time for this week's bonus question. Work out the total of the sum shown on the screen, and leave your guesses in the comments. We will reveal the correct answer at the start of the next pub quiz, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled for it. Thanks for taking part in our pub quiz. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.